Now that we've added in our invoice templates, let's go into our emails. Email templates are where you're going to store those emails that you constantly send to your clients. To get started, we'll select Create Template, and we'll give the email template a name that we will recognize. So for this one, we'll use Session Reminder for Families, for example. Now we're going to include the subject line that our clients will see, looking forward to our upcoming session. Next, we're going to go in and we're going to go ahead and type the body of the email. What's important here is to utilize variables, and this way, if we decide to automate the emails, it will automatically pull that client's information from their profile and from their session information. So we'll go ahead and type out some details here, and then we can include some session details, since this is a session reminder email, for example, by utilizing the variables as well. We can include the date, the time, starting time of the session, as well as the location. And all of this will automatically populate when we go to send this email or when we have the email automatically sent by using a workflow, which we will get to next. We have two different layout options. You can include a text only, which will include your logo at the top, followed by the body, or you can also do a banner image. And this will not only include your logo, but an image that you choose. Then we have the option to attach any documents, questionnaires, for example. So if this were perhaps a different email, we would maybe attach a client questionnaire, a contract, or perhaps an invoice template. And again, all of that will automatically get populated with the client's information when this is sent. And if we would like to, we can also come back here and we can give a preview of what this email might look like when we send it out. Obviously, it won't say client first name. It will actually have the client's information populated